I've been thinking about you, girl, till my current flowers bloom. Trying not to bother you when you're in space. Just let it grow to me. I'm the only one who waters it, but don't worry about me. Oh, but sometimes I forget what